Welcome traders. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of depositing funds into your Fusion Markets trading account step by step. The official Fusion Markets link is in the description below. Please make sure you're on the real website to avoid scams or phishing pages. Step 1. Log into your account. Let's begin. Click the official link in the description and log into your Fusion Markets client portal using your email and password. Step 2. Access the payment section. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Payment. This is where you'll manage all your deposits and withdrawals. Step 3. Select your trading account. Now choose the trading account where you want the funds to be deposited. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one, such as your live MT4 or MT5 account. Step 4. Choose a payment method. You'll see several payment options available, including PayPal bank cards, Skrill crypto, and more. For this tutorial, we'll continue with the crypto deposit method. Step 5. Add a wallet address. Click on Add Wallet Address. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to use, like USDT, BTC, or LTC, and then choose the correct blockchain network. Step 6. Generate your wallet. Now click on Generate Wallet. Fusion Markets will create a unique deposit address for your selected coin and network. This is where your funds will be sent. Step 7. Copy the deposit address. Once the wallet address appears, simply click to copy it. Be very careful to copy it exactly. This is the address you'll use to send your funds. Step 8. Go to your crypto exchange. Now head over to your crypto exchange, like Binance, Bybit, or any other platform you use. Click Withdraw, then choose the same coin and network you selected earlier in Fusion Markets. Step 9. Paste the address and add details. Paste the wallet address you copied earlier. Double check that the network auto-matches. Enter the amount you want to send. You'll also see the network fee displayed. Once everything looks correct, click Withdraw. Step 10. Confirm and verify. Now you'll go through your exchange's security verification steps. This might include two-factor authentication codes, SMS confirmation, or email approval. Complete that and the withdrawal will be processed. Step 11. Wait for confirmation. Most crypto deposits are processed within 5 to 15 minutes, depending on network speed. After that, the funds will appear in your Fusion Markets account, ready for trading. Other payment methods. If you prefer not to use crypto, Fusion Markets also accepts PayPal, Visa/Mastercard, Skrill, Neteller, and more. Each method has its own limits and processing times. Security tip. For safety, only send crypto to addresses generated directly from your Fusion Markets dashboard. Never trust links or addresses sent via email or messages. Outro. And that's how you deposit funds into your Fusion Markets account. All official links are in the description, including Fusion Markets and account opening guides for Bybit, Binance, Exness, and IC Markets. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Like this video, subscribe for more trading tutorials, and happy trading.